nakuha. Shoot. Talagang kawalan kaya si Jason. Para Kerwin. Ito si Trixie, naku po. Ano, kabugok naman na ito ah. Ito naman crush yun eh. Trixie? Ayun na dati namin niya. Ay ngayon ba si? Wala. Sino ba ang laki doon? Wala. Hindi ba ko na? Si Tracy naman. No? Si Trixie. Si Trisha naman, si Trisha. Mabok. Si Jasmine. Si Everyday Okay. Sino ba yun? Putak na, hindi ganyan na. Di ka na maulog. Pero saan napit si Michael Jackson yan? No, Dave. Punch. Yan, walang... putak na. Tsaka si Justin Bieber, walang nahihimasay. Si Michael Jackson.
You think we should dance tonight?
Sila nila mo.
So your parents can have a heart attack.
Why?
Because everyone wants to come first. You gotta tell them. But in a way, you know what? They're doing it. If they come in,
Nakakatawa.
Joe, do you want to do it?
Yeah. And my parents are taking a helicopter out here. Are they really? Nakakatawa. Tawa kayo ng tawa. Tingnan natin yung video.
Nag-walk out.